Jump up and down and move it all around. Shake your hand to the sound, put your hand on the ground. Take one step left and one step right. One to the front and one to the side. Clap your hands once and clap your hands twice. And if it looks like